Chery Automobile, a Chinese state-owned car manufacturing giant, is again considering entering the US market. This is the company's third attempt after failing to do so in 2005 and again in 2020. In an interview with Motor Trend, Chery made its intention clear. "The US market is important for us," said Chery Mexico's executive vice president, Brian Wu. Chery entered Mexico in 2022 and saw immediate success. It even plans to build a factory that produces electric vehicles and hybrids. Wu was confident about its move, saying, "I don't want to repeat the same story. Today is not like before. Not like it was 20 years ago." With regards to how it will finally penetrate the US market, Wu could not provide any details. However, he said that the company already has a rough roadmap for which products Chery will be leading with. Chery has several high-end sub-brands that can take the lead. Wu's confident these will be new energy vehicles, EVs, with some internal combustion models thrown in. The Chinese carmaker has multiple brands under its belt. There's the main Chery brand and spin-offs, such as Omoda, Jetar, JQ, Exeed, and Lux. The latter is Chery's high-end, tech-heavy brand established in cooperation with Huawei. Don't expect Lux to enter the US, though, as Chery's partner, Huawei, is not allowed to do business in the States. The Jetar Traveler SUV, pictured above, could work, but Ford will surely sue for copyright infringement. It looks a lot like a Ford Bronco, with a sprinkling of Defender thrown in for good measure. Another challenge to Chery's US market ambitions is the US vehicle safety standards, which are among the most stringent in the world. Even if Chery is willing to go through this, it's a very long process, and that's something many stakeholders might not be able to stomach. There's also the fact that the US is currently imposing significant sanctions on China, which could mean tariffs of up to 19.3%, guaranteed to impact pricing. This, however, can be sidestepped by a Mexico-based Chery manufacturing plant and the existing US-Mexico-Canada Agreement, USMCA. Is this Chery's time to shine in the USA? Will the third time be the charm?